In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Asana. Whether you're updating your contact information or just consolidating your email accounts, knowing how to change your email in Asana can be very handy. Let's get started. Once you're logged into Asana, you'll land on your home dashboard. It's crucial that you're signed into the account where you want to change your email, so double-check you're accessing the correct user profile. Now, to access your profile settings, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice either your profile picture or your initials. This is your gateway to a drop-down menu containing several options that we need. Go ahead and click on this icon. From the drop-down list that appears, select My Settings to proceed. In the My Settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the Account tab, which is crucial for managing your account information. Once you're in the Account section, look for the option that says Add New Email. Spotting it can feel like finding a needle in a haystack at times, but it's there. Just take a deep breath and remain patient. When you spot it, click to add your new email address. Now, this step is incredibly important. While entering your new email address, ensure that you double and triple check the spelling. A simple typo might prevent you from receiving essential emails from Asana, and we want to avoid that nuisance. After verifying your new email, you need to click Re-authenticate. This step will prompt Asana to send a verification email to your new email address, confirming that it's active and accessible. With that done, head over to your email inbox. Sometimes these verification emails can find a cozy spot in your spam folder, so don't forget to check there if it hasn't arrived in your main inbox. Once you locate the email from Asana, click on the verification link contained within. This step is vital as it confirms with Asana that you're authorized to associate this new email address with your account. Now, the final step is to make this newly verified email your primary contact. Go back to Asana and once again open up My Settings, specifically in the Account tab. Here, you should see a list of email addresses associated with your account. Find your newly added email, click on it, and then select the option Make Primary. By doing this, your new email address will become the main contact for all communications from Asana. And there you have it. With just these straightforward steps, you have successfully updated your email address in Asana. This method ensures you stay connected and can continue to receive important updates and notifications from your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.